We are currently outpacing 30% growth rate every single year. We would not be able to keep up without Crown. Hi, my name is Flavio Fassi. I'm the CEO of Houston Powder Coaters, and we're in Houston, Texas today. So Houston Powder Coaters is the largest custom coating applicator in the South Texas region. We went with the C-5 series forklift due to the awesome cooling system that you guys have developed through the years. We are currently around the clock, and the C-5 forklifts get absolutely no break. The ability for these forklifts to maintain that level of operation and peak operation through a 24-hour period with minimal downtime has been the most vital thing for us. So the C-5 series has had such a tremendous impact, not just in the direct cost of maintenance, but also just in the amount of throughput that we've been able to push through the facility. We are currently outpacing 30% growth rate every single year. We will not be able to keep up without Crown.